a day video as a whole food plant-based vegan. Okay, you guys, are you guys helping me make a smoothie? This is the life of being a bird owner. You're always a part of the flock. So I'm considered the leader of the flock. Well, I think Coconut's the leader of the flock, but I'm constantly with birds attached to me 24/7. They'll rule your life. If you get a bird, they will take over your life. Trust me. Geraldine. Geraldine. You do it better than Coconut. I just have to man up. Like seriously, I gotta grow some balls to drink this thing. There's immense health benefits to this, so you just gotta do it. Geraldine, why don't you drink this for me? Make yourself useful and drink this for me. I don't want to drink this. I don't want to drink this. Okay. I really have to get a juicer. You know when you juice, the juice is very smooth, silky smooth, but this is so chunky and fibrous. It's hard to drink it without throwing up. What are you guys doing? Coconut. Geraldine. They have the biggest cage. And I'm actually gonna build them a whole PlayStation, which I'm gonna put all up against this wall. They love being outside, enjoying the nice breeze. And look how gross this is. Check this out. This whole patio needs to be redone. Like, all that's getting replaced. The screen has to be replaced. And the flooring's gonna be redone. That's gonna be like the floor you see in certain garages. So this whole thing here needs to be renovated and cleaned up. Look how gross it is. I cannot wait till this condo gets renovated because I can't live like this much longer. Everything's just grossing me out. I'm just waiting for my next commission so I can hopefully gut this entire condo and renovate it, because I'm not kidding, like I can't live like this much longer. The floors have to be redone. So everything's kind of a disaster in this condo right now. I can't wait to put down these vinyl planks all throughout the whole condo. Now I'm eating some Honeycrisp apples. If you've never tried Honeycrisp apples before, they're the best variation of apples in my opinion. They're like no other apple you ever tried before. Honeycrisp, they're really good. So I'm eating a few of these guys, or a couple of them. The weather is so nice. Oh my gosh, I wish it was like this every single day in Florida. Unfortunately, that's not the case, and It's very, 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 very rare that I can open the door like this because usually it's so humid and muggy in Florida. You just can't open doors and stuff like this because it's just the humidity and the mugginess will just, you just can't do it, unfortunately. So this is like California weather right now. Breakfast. Super excited to eat this. Tell me this doesn't look good. Putting just the tiniest bit of shredded coconut on it is just, I don't know, it's just so good. This is, if you haven't made this ridiculously simple waffle, which is actually a very, very healthy waffle, totally try it out and then post down below and let me know what you think of it. Care for a bite? This is so good. So good. In case you're wondering what tomato soup I just made, it's the Dr. John McDougall oil-free tomato soup. I love this stuff. It's actually really good tomato soup. So if you're ever having like a lazy moment, you just want something really quick and simple and healthy, go ahead and give this a shot. Sometimes I like to put a little rice in it as well because I love white rice with tomato soup. It's just really good. And if you haven't seen his speeches before, they're fantastic. They have a lot of very valuable, eye-opening information in it. So I've left some links down below in case you want to check it out. If you're interested in weight loss or achieving optimal health and things like that, totally check it out. It's really good stuff. Oh my gosh, so good. So that's what I'm having for dinner. It's a super simple, super delicious meal. And I made this sweet chili dipping sauce. It's so good. Actually, it came out a little bit more watery than usual because I put extra water in it, but normally I make it thicker, but you can also put a little bit of cornstarch in it to thicken it up. So I'll leave a link down below as to how I made this sweet chili dipping sauce. It's super, I can't say it's so good. I even stir fry. I make like veggie stir fries with tofu and veggies, and I put cashews in it. It's so good. And so I'm gonna eat this before it gets too cold. And I hope you enjoy my video. And I'm hoping to make more variations of what I eat in a day, so it's more exciting to watch because I tend to eat the same things over and over again. So anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and click that little bell so you don't get notified when I make a new video on my channel. And see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't remove the Asian llama a long time ago. This is the time of the apocalypse, the dream of the lasting